subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Vivo sub-brand IQOO or IQOO is reported to launch its new gaming smartphone, and the company has also started teasing about the launch of its first IQOO smartphone in India with 5G support and liquid cooling technology. Recently, an unknown smartphone live images were spotted on Chinese social media site Weibo, which is rumored to be called as IQOO 3. And beside to it, there is another smartphone which looks to be Oppo Reno 3 Pro, which was recently launched in China. According to the live image, it shows the smartphone with a punch hole at the top right corner for selfie camera, and it looks smaller compared to the Oppo Reno 3 Pro beside it. The display appears to be flat with rounded corners surrounded by thin bezels. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge, while on the left appears to have dedicated Jovi assistant button. The live image also suggests the phone to feature an in-display fingerprint sensor. Apart from this, the live image doesn't reveal any other details of IQOO 3, and sadly, the rear side image of the phone is missing. But according to previous rumors, it suggests the IQOO 3 will support a 6.44-inch OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, and it will come powered by an Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset. The phone is said to feature an quad camera setup on the rear with 48 megapixel main camera. The device is reported to run on latest Android 10, and it will pack with 4410 mAh of battery that will support 55 watts fast charging. So as of now, that's all we know about the IQOO 3 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.